Hi, my name is Anshuman and I'm the founder of Scalar. My background is that I started my career with Facebook. There, I was part of a small engineering team that was building Facebook messages and chat. Later on, I went on to lead the team that built Facebook Messenger. So if you're using Messenger, then chances are you're running a lot of my code. Post that, I also moved to Facebook London to set up their first engineering office, helped in hiring the first 100 odd engineers there. And for the last 10 years, I've dedicated my life to help increase the level of education, especially tech education, in a country like India. One of the key differentiators for a program like Scalar has been that all of our programs have been very industry oriented, which means we frequently talk to companies and we figure out what are the skills that they seek and we make sure our programs are aligned with that. Hence, that translates to people doing better in technical interviews and people doing better at their work once they graduate from Scalar. Today, we run two programs, which is Scalar for software engineers and Scalar for data science. And one of the, again, key differentiator in those programs has been that these programs are not only about teaching, but also the guidance that you get alongside. We believe that education is about making sure that you stay consistent all throughout. Education is about cracking engagement, not just the content. And hence, we have assistance from TAs who help you with assignments. We have live classes where instructors teach you live. We have one-on-one mentors who guide you. And most importantly, we have a very vibrant peer community that you keep talking to frequently. You're part of WhatsApp groups and Slack groups where you have access to all of your peers that are learning alongside you. In a way, you have the same batches that you had when you were in college. Now, one of the things that we've been noticing is that while we're doing a great job in software engineering and data science, we keep talking to companies, and one of the things we keep hearing is that for DevOps engineering, they keep looking for good talent, but they are not able to find great talent for DevOps engineering. On the other hand, there are people who want to learn, but most of the programs that are designed today for DevOps engineering are around how to learn about tools. There are programs that will teach you about how to use Ansible. There are programs that will teach you about how to use Kubernetes. There are programs that will teach you about how to use Docker. But nobody takes this approach where somebody teaches you about the fundamentals, then the cloud, and then the tools. Hence, we've designed a long program for DevOps engineering, which is fully comprehensive. It teaches you the fundamentals, which builds your basic building blocks. And then it teaches you about tools and clouds and whatever is then required to maybe upskill to become an SRE, or from there, whatever gives you optionality to maybe even become a software engineer. It is almost a year-long program with the same components, which is you still have a live teacher, you still have access to mentors, you still have access to teaching assistants who help you with real-world assignments, which is exactly similar to what you would do at work as well, along with a very vibrant peer community. In a way, when you're not learning alone, but rather you're learning in a group, and every single day there is discussion going on of what you learned that day, it's much, much harder to drop off. It's easier to then stay consistent for a year. And that's been our USP. I hope with that, you'll go over the curriculum, you'll like what we have built for you. And if you are considering a career in DevOps engineering, you will find this to be the right place for you. Thank you.